you. I hope you're happy. I hope the universe blesses you. I hope you just attract everything that you've ever manifested. And I hope the world is really kind to you because you're a sweet girl. You're amazing. And I want you to go out there, put yourself out there. Don't listen to people. And you would always shine like the superstar that you are.
This is a sweet, 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 sweet girl. And I pray that God causes his light to shine upon Jojo this new year. I pray that the coming year is an opportunity for Jojo to soar, an opportunity for her to land more deals, more just more money to her account.
Today was my first time meeting her, and so far she's been a pretty amazing person.
I wish her the best things life to offer. She has worked so hard to get to where she is today, and I am the proudest friend. I wish her good luck. I wish her good news. I wish her upliftment, breakthroughs, and every single thing that she does.